Hey YouTubers, this is Justin with Mayberry Mini Trucks, and it is October the 27th, 2024. And I get the honor of doing a video for Tracy in Wisconsin. And Tracy has trusted us and been looking for a nice Suzuki, and he's found one. And he's been patient with us. He's waiting. We jacked the truck up 2 inches, put the wheel and tire package on it. And then he said, "Can you get it lined up?" Well, yes, we can. So we had to wait for that process. Then my lineup guy called me and said, "Hey, you know, these tie rod ends are 26 years old. So we need to," he said, "I can fix things like this, but it'd be better for new ones." I said, "Well, let's get some new ones." And so Tracy's been waiting on that patiently. And let's get started on this video. This is a 1998 Carry 4x4, 5-speed extra low, with 17,261 miles, which it has more because I have drove this truck now probably 75 miles, since this has been done. And let's look under here first and look underneath this truck how clean it is. And you can see the new tie rods and adjustments. See, that you got to adjust that to line it up to be exact. And look at this, a beauty. This is a clean truck, clear headlights. Let's go around the roof. It just sprinkled rain, so I am trying to get this video made. It looks like it could come up raining any time. And Tracy is ready for this truck, so I'm making time specifically for him. And there is no dents in the front of this truck. And look, now I would get this truck and wax it and clean it up, because it has not been cleaned up, except for the degreaser and Dawn that we use. We don't go back and and put wax or nothing. Now this is one of the cleanest Suzukis, the interior, that I've ever seen by far. Look back here at all it's just clean and nice. No seam tears, no tears in it. Look underneath the mat here. We do have some dust and hay come off of my feet. The door panels, we got some Kenwood speakers in here. Look at the dash of it. Okay, I'm gonna get down here. I'm going to do a good video. He's concerned. He's up there, where rust is and stuff, and people out here in this world tend to rip people off, and it makes people be questionable. Of course, he is hundreds of miles away, and he's buying this truck, quote, sight unseen, except for off of this video. So we want to insure him, so it's not stressful till he gets there, that the truck is not eat up. And we've talked on the phone several times, and I told him I would do a in-depth video. Those wheels and tires are just phenomenal on this truck. That is just mud where I come up the driveway. See the mat here where it rained? I cannot help that. No rust in the bed here. We have some wear, on the ridges here. You'll have, like, here's somebody has scratched a little bit, and you've got, a little nick there. And I'm gonna let this bedside down. Fold this up. This is just dirt where it's rained and just dust on it, like here. See how that wipes off? So that is not rust. This truck has no rust. It has some surface rust in spots like here where this wear over time and stuff. Tracy asked me about a spot in the bed here, and it don't have, you know, no cancer in the bed. Nowhere. Many of you that own mini trucks know, you know hands down, this is a super nice truck. Here's your new lift kit, new bolts. Here is your brand new spare tire under here. Let's look. The exhaust, no rust, clean truck. Look under here. All right, these spots in here, this is, you know, surface wear and tear. This spring right here, that is where the spring rubs that. That is normal wear on a vehicle. Let's look at the bed panel here. All right, we have small little ping dent right here. See, you can't really see that, but it is right there. And the tailgate is dent free, and you can see the tree in the reflection, and it's even cloudy. So I'm gonna even fold this bed down over here. And we have some rock there, dirt. This right here is just dust coming out the driveway where it sprinkled rain. I would wait till it was prettier, Tracy, and do your video, but you know, we're trying to get this done for you so we can get it shipped. Okay, I'm gonna see. We have 3 small, I'm talking finger small dents here. And I've got it where you can see them in that reflection. There. Is it noticeable? No. But I'm getting it where you can see it. And let's look at the frame over here. Okay. The motor is clean, clean, clean. Excuse me. The headache rack is in really good shape. The back of this cab is in good shape. Now that is a smudge on there. I just picked this truck up from the lineup shop, drove it here, rained a couple times on me. Now I'm doing this video. And nice. The truck speaks for itself with the low miles and the cleanliness of it. And the lift kit and wheels sets it off. I encourage people not to do the lift kit. They look good and stuff, but I like, you know, the wheels and tires raise it up plenty enough. Look how clean this is. And look how that is not wore. Look at the seat. The factory carry mat. This does have the factory owner mount and the factory toolkit, which says a lot, but it is in Japanese. And it says it has the AM, FM radio as well. And we could raise the seat up and look under here. It has the factory jack. It has dust on it. And see the brand new Napa oil filter where we've changed the oil. And look at these seat belts, how nice and not wore they are. All right, here's something else you look at. That is not wore any. We have some sun coming out now. I'm going to do a slow walk around. Me and my wife is fixing to go out for our anniversary, so But if you notice, I'm taking my time. Tracy, I want you to know this truck is what you want. And daggone that. That lift kit, wheels and tires is mean, but you could have just put the wheels and tires on it. But Tracy wanted to be fancy. Let's do the test run. And literally, which Tracy will know this, I sent him a picture earlier. I have not stopped putting no gas in or nothing. And we still running it on some gas. And he could probably look back and see how many kilometers I put on it. I was, after I'd picked it up and was headed back. So, okay. We're in third gear. This is a peppy little truck, and it is so tight. Kilometers, and don't want to turn it over because this is probably a 30-mile-an-hour really what you should do through here, which is a 55-mile-an-hour speed limit road. But you've got some S curves, and this is going down a hill, so we got to come back up this hill. And we're in fifth gear. I'm just gonna give it some gas. Matter of fact, I just stomped it. But, man, the steering wheel, we're dead straight. Yes, that's a curve, but we're going dead straight. I'm not touching the steering wheel, no pull, nothing. So, and we're going to go down here and put it in reverse. We're going to try the four-wheel drive out. This truck does have the extra low. So, got some puddles here. I'm thankful it didn't start raining on me. Because I just looked at the radar and it said 90% chance of rain. Alright, we're in reverse, but we're going forward. Now we're going back a little bit and we're spinning. Okay, we're spinning. We're in reverse. Okay, let's pull it up in four-wheel drive. And we're in four-wheel drive. We're just crawling out of there. And alright, that's example. Alright, that was reverse. I'm going to turn it around and show you the extra low. That, you know, it stalled out there where I was not giving it no gas. And I'm going to show you what the extra low gear will do now. We're going to see if it will pull out of there in extra low without stalling and not touching the gas. And without turning over. If I go way over in there, I'm teeter-tottering now. Okay, extra low. I'm not going to touch the gas. And we're going to, well, we did stall out. Let me see here. I think I was in first. Alright, now I'm in extra low. And this is the extra low. And we're pulled back up here to the road. And that is the extra low. Yeah, it's not good for on the road and stuff. Let's go back to first. So, you know, to demonstrate that, it's just something you have to really get and know it when you need it. If you're just putting around or, you know, pulling out of a hole, or just say, hey, you want to put your grandkid in here and let them drive it. Hey, throw it in the extra low and let them go. First gear. We're spinning both back tires. They was a little muddy. We're in third gear at 50 kilometers. We're in fourth gear, going up to 55 kilometers. Now we're reaching 60 kilometers. 65, I'm going to fifth gear. And we're pulling the hill. And the 90% chance of rain is turned into sunshine. So, alright, we are in fifth gear. And we're down to 28 kilometers. And we're at 32 kilometers. We're at 35 kilometers. And we were pulling 14s and a lift kit. 40 kilometers. 42. This truck passes the test easy. Easy. Matter of fact, we're up to 45 kilometers. And we're still going up the grade. And I'm letting off of it. Now I'll put it back in extra low right here to show you on the dirt road how low it is as well. Alright, you got to go into full-wheel drive, over, and then further. See, if you go over and push it a little bit more, you're still in first. See, that is first. And you look at the poles and tell how fast we're going and count the seconds. Alright, now let's go on over further. And I mean, you got to push it like a man. And this is the low. This is the extra low. Low, low, low. And see how slow we're moving? Okay, that pole, about 7 seconds pole to pole. Alright, let's just put it in first. About 3 seconds pole to pole. So, big difference. Thank you, Tracy. And we thank you for your business from Wisconsin and trusting us and being patient. Thank you.